Cars inspired by nature. From sleek predators to nimble insects, the natural world has always influenced automotive design. Question 1. Which car is famously known as the Beetle? A. Ford Ka, 1996. B. Volkswagen Beetle, 1938. C. Fiat Panda, 1980. D. Mini Cooper, 1959. Hint: it's named after an insect and adored worldwide. Correct answer: B. Volkswagen Beetle, 1938. Question 2. What inspired the aggressive and sharp design of the Lamborghini Countach, 1974? A. A shark. B. A grasshopper. C. A cheetah. D. A hawk. Hint: sleek, powerful, and a predator of the streets. Correct answer: A. A shark. Question 3. The rear of the Porsche 911 1964 was inspired by which marine creature? A. A seal. B. A whale. C. A dolphin. D. A stingray. Hint: this design made waves in automotive history. Correct answer: B. A whale. Question 4. Which car earned the nickname Frog-Eyed for its headlight placement? A. Austin Healey Sprite, 1958. B. Volkswagen Golf, 1974. C. Citroën DS, 1955. D. Renault Clio, 1990. Hint: these eyes are always ready to leap. Correct answer: A. Austin Healey Sprite, 1958. Question 5. The Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, 1963, was inspired by which underwater creature? A. A jellyfish. B. A manta ray. C. A swordfish. D. A barracuda. Hint: this car's name says it all. Look closely. Correct answer: B. A manta ray. Question 6. What car has doors resembling wings in flight? A. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, 1954. B. Tesla Model X, 2015. C. BMW i8, 2014. D. McLaren P1, 2013. Hint: it's named after a bird with a love for the sea. Correct answer: A. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, 1954. Question 7. Which car's utilitarian design was inspired by a donkey? A. Citroën 2CV, 1948. B. Fiat 500, 1957. C. Volkswagen Thing, 1968. D. Renault Twingo, 1993. Hint: it's slow but reliable, perfect for rural life. Correct answer: A. Citroën 2CV, 1948. Question 8. Which supercar mimics the streamlined posture of a cheetah? A. Bugatti Chiron 2016. B. McLaren P1 2013. C. Ferrari LaFerrari 2013. D. Koenigsegg Jesko 2020. Hint: built for speed just like the fastest land animal. Correct answer: A. Bugatti Chiron 2016. Question 9. Which car's name and design evoke a powerful snake? A. Dodge Viper 1991. B. Ford Cobra 1962. C. Chevrolet Corvette 1953. D. Lotus Elise 1996. Hint: strike. This one's got a venomous reputation. Correct answer: A. Dodge Viper 1991. Question 10. Which car's nimble design is said to resemble a cat? A. Toyota Supra 1993. B. Mazda MX-5 Miata 1989. C. Honda S2000 1999. D. Nissan 370Z 2008. Hint: agile, playful, and always lands on its wheels. Correct answer: B. Mazda MX-5 Miata 1989. Question 11. The Ford Mustang 1964 was inspired by which animal? A. A wolf. B. A falcon. C. A horse. D. A lion. Hint: this car gallops like no other. Correct answer: C. A horse. Question 12. Which car's headlights look like insect eyes? A. Volkswagen Beetle 1938. B. Citroën DS 1955. C. Smart Fortwo 1998. D. Fiat 500 1957. Hint: this car buzzed its way into design history. Correct answer: B. Citroën DS 1955. Question 13. What Ferrari's shape was inspired by a shark? A. Ferrari 250 GTO 1962. B. Ferrari F40 1987. C. Ferrari 458. Italia 2009. D. Ferrari Testarossa 1984. Hint: a predator that swims and races faster than most. Correct answer: B. Ferrari F40 1987. Question 14. Which car was named after a famous bird known for its speed? A. Ford Falcon 1960. B. Plymouth Roadrunner 1968. C. Chevrolet Eagle 1975. D. Dodge Phoenix 1960. Hint: beep beep, it's fast and fun. Correct answer: B. Plymouth Roadrunner 1968. Question 15. Which hypercar's aerodynamics mimic butterfly wings? A. Koenigsegg Jesko 2020. B. Bugatti Veyron 2005. C. Pagani Huayra 2011. D. Lamborghini Aventador 2011. Hint: light as a feather but deadly fast. Correct answer, C. Pagani Huayra 2011. Question 16. Which car's body design was inspired by a fish's smooth, streamlined shape? A. Saab 92 1949. B. Porsche 356 1948. C. Citroën Traction Avant 1934. D. Volkswagen Type 1 1938. Hint: it swims through the wind like a fish in water. Correct answer, A. Saab 92 1949. Question 17. Which car mimics the silhouette of a manta ray gliding through water? A. Cadillac CN 2002. B. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 1963. C. Aston Martin DB9 2004. D. Lexus LFA 2010. Hint: this car's design truly soars underwater in spirit. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 1963. Question 18. Which electric car's design was partly inspired by a dragonfly's lightweight structure? A. Tesla Model 3, 2017. B. Lightyear Zero, 2022. C. Polestar 2, 2020. D. Rimac Nevera, 2021. Hint: light as a dragonfly, yet full of energy. Correct answer, B. Lightyear Zero, 2022. Question 19. Which car was nicknamed the Shark Nose for its aggressive front design? A. Ferrari 156, 1961. B. Maserati 250F, 1954. C. Alfa Romeo Giulia TZ2, 1965. D. Jaguar E-Type, 1961. Hint: this one was a predator on the racetrack. Correct answer, A. Ferrari 156, 1961. Question 20. What concept car mimicked the shape and posture of a falcon in flight? A. BMW Vision Next 100 2016. B. Mercedes-Benz Biome Concept 2010. C. Audi Avus Quattro 1991. D. Lexus LF30 Concept 2019. Hint: built for the future with wings of innovation. Correct answer, B. Mercedes-Benz Biome Concept 2010. How did you do? 1 to 5. You're just warming up. Time for a deeper dive into automotive history. 6 to 10. Not bad. You're on your way to becoming a car historian. 11 to 15. Great job. You know your car inspirations well. 16 to 20. Amazing. You're a true automotive zoologist. Someone give this person a trophy. Share your results and challenge your friends to test their knowledge of cars inspired by nature.